I've dreamed about the best monitor in the market, and I found this LG OLED C4. The only thing I'm missing is an iPod-looking studio. Let's unbox it. And on the front, we do have one part of the stand, second part of the stand, and I guess the cover for the cables. Shoot! Oppa! California! Oppa! Up! Oh. Satisfaction. It is a bit reflective, but that's okay. Quality. Wow. So, lit LG OLED pixels compared to the Samsung on the left, which is a quantum dot. But yeah, I mean, you see the difference, especially at night when you're watching that movie. It's so cool on the OLED. So great. Powered by LG OLED. 120 Hertz. So it's super smooth. Sound. AI sound. You really don't need a sound bar for it. Sound it. AI is number one if you go to settings. Dolby Atmos. Balance. You can use wired speakers, wireless speakers, external speakers for the TV, all kinds of features. Hitting the smart, wow, it was fast. All right, we do have GeForce Now. And GeForce Now is so cool, then all you need to do is buy yourself an Xbox pad or PS pad, most likely Xbox pad, connect to the TV wirelessly, and you can play the best games in the world without any console from the cloud. Wow. This game is addictive! Very addictive. Can you read the comments on it? Yes, you can. It's very good for reading. Also, bright enough for the HDR. Of course, it's not super bright like that QLED behind me, but bright enough. I have to dim that screen 50% for the camera. That's how bright it is. It's crazy bright. But if you choose, and let me just focus on the screen. If you choose the OLED monitor, it could have auto dimming, which will dim the screen by itself, and you cannot turn off that feature. Could be annoying. This doesn't have that, or maybe it does, but you can switch it off. By default, it's not active. So no auto dimming, which is, like I said, great. Way better than any. And of course, more advanced because LG is putting all kinds of care action to the OLED TVs than to the PC monitors, I guess, because they will sell way more TVs than monitors. So I think it's more advanced than them. I could be wrong, but I think it is. Anyway, best colors, best sound, you don't need a sound bar. High contrast, input lag, not existing. What else would you need? Or maybe could be a little less reflective. I know I didn't show it in daylight, but this studio is dark even in the daylight because I have a window behind the TV, not in the front of TV. So yeah. But if you have a window on the side, on in the front of the monitor, could be difficult. You'll be better off with a B version, which is a little less reflections. Little less. But still, it is what it is. I like it. Link in the description. Check it out. See you next video. Bye.